First off, there's a lot of girls in this world. You cannot attract all the girls to you. There's always going to be outliers. They all have different personalities and behaviors. So instead of catering to them, you need to cater to yourself first, meaning that you have to work on yourself first because no one else can fix you but you. There will be no manipulative tricks or tactics. You will learn these psychological tips to increase your likability. This is all going to be real and genuine because it's going to be coming out from you. With that being said, here are 10 tips on how to get girls to like you. Number 1. Be confident when approaching girls. You know the phrase, fortune favors the bold. Being bold and confident are good traits to have. It'll help you stand out and increase your likability in the dating world. Girls do like people who can take initiative and aren't afraid to be different because it makes them stand out and unique. Also, try to rev up your self-esteem so the odds of being liked by girls will greatly increase. But if you lack these traits, things might not work out in your favor and you'll start blaming the external and internal factors that are causing it. To correct that, try improving your confidence by eliminating negative thoughts, learn from those who are confident, and accept your shortcomings. Number 2. Discover your interests. Once you discover your interests, it is likely that you will become an interesting person because some people are naturally curious of things and want to know more or learn more from you. Find out what you love doing right from the bottom of your heart and work on it until other people start to notice it. Let your passion be your turning point, and sooner or later, you'll attract the right girls. And have you ever wondered why your favorite celebrities are popular? Well, they have the ability to draw people's attention through a passion that they really like to do. I'm not telling you to become a celebrity, but I mean, if you want, you can. But what I mean is that you need to bring out what you are best at and create an everlasting and admirable impression to others. Hey, who knows, you might be on TV one day. If so, just remember the little guys like me and give me a shout out, please. Number 3. Your first impression has an everlasting effect. Good grooming and personal hygiene are key factors that portray who you are. Generally, girls like those who care about their appearance. Put a little more effort in your personal hygiene and gain an advantage over your would-be competitors. Brush your teeth regularly and have confidence smiling. Go for regular haircuts, and if you know you have body odor, always wear deodorant or cologne to smell good. Above all, shower daily. Soap is your best friend. Oh, lastly, your dress code defines your character, and sometimes girls do judge your overall looks. Ensure that your clothes are always clean and fitting. The way you dress tells a lot about you, but if you end up getting a girlfriend, you can be in your pajamas. All I care. Number 4. Stay abreast with current affairs and popular culture. Being knowledgeable of what is going on around you and beyond is an added advantage to your likability. If you can stay up to date with current news or trending topics, you can probably hold a conversation with any girls regardless of their background. Well, provided that you're conversant with the topic you're talking about. Sharing your thoughts with her might bring both of you closer on the mutual grounds due to the level of compatibility between the two of you, therefore increasing your likability. So don't be afraid to expand your knowledge and have an idea of what is going on in sports, fashion, business, shows, and even the prevailing naturally occurring catastrophic events around the globe. Girls are fascinated by those who can keep them at the edge of their seats with mind-blowing stories and knowledge. If you are gifted in this area, your chances of winning the hearts of the girls is already predetermined. Number 5. Be a little vulnerable. I know for guys, you want to be perceived as tough and strong, but you know some girls fall for emotions, right? You need to create a sense of trust with them if you want them to like you. And how do you do that? You can start by sharing your weaknesses or secrets with them. Don't be afraid to open up to them. Now, I'm not saying to dive deep into your dark secrets like how you have a foot fetish. It could be something minor, like how you're afraid of your English teacher. Psychologically speaking, by sharing personal details about yourself, it creates a sense of trust in them and they will sense it. Because you're able to open up to them, they'll feel like they need to reciprocate back to you, therefore trusting you. Plus, girls tend to like it when you share secrets with them. Number 6. Get your life together. Girls tend to like those who are independent and successful. If you are the type of person that still depends on others for your survival, it is time to step up and get your life together. Most girls don't like people who will be a liability. or can't even clean up after themselves. Therefore, it is a good idea to work your way up to become more of an independent person. Plus, if you're old enough to get a job and you work for your own money, you'll definitely earn some respect. But if you're still young, don't worry about that. Just stay in school and get straight B's, A's. Number 7. Learn to be an active listener. Listening to your girl is a sign of appreciation, and it means that you care about what she has to say. But don't be rude and interrupt her when she's talking to you. Give her your full attention, nod your head when she makes valid points, and keep your eyes on her so she knows you're still engaged with the conversation. When you are replying back, make sure you have a sound and logical response and not just a one-word answer. A bonus to this is that if you're able to keep a conversation going and she doesn't lose interest, she'll definitely see you as a great person to talk to. Your likability will increase. Number 8. Have a good sense of humor. Having a sense of humor can be your greatest asset. If you can make people laugh, you'll attract those who will want to be around you. Also, if you can laugh with her, it'll make you seem more approachable and friendlier to hang out. A good sense of humor is the best way to get a girl closer to you. But make sure your sense of humor doesn't cross any boundaries with people. Also, get a little bit creative and unique in your expression to draw their attention to you. Throw in some funny stories, and if she laughs, you'll know that your likability just went up and she'll want to be around you. Number 9. Give positive compliments. Compliments can easily get a girl's attention. In fact, compliments can make her feel special and appreciated, and it gives her a hint of your interest in her. Your compliments should be brief to avoid appearing boring, and don't overdo it to kiss up to her. Let your compliments be directed towards her outfit, academic success, looks, or skills. As a sign of appreciation, compliments will get her attracted to those who genuinely takes their time to appreciate her, and that person could be you. Number 10. Be yourself. Everyone is unique, so just do you. Sometimes you can be a little extra to just stand out, and that's okay. It's like a little cherry on top, something extra. Let them see the best part of you in a realistic manner that suggests who you truly are. Take full advantage of what makes you stand out in a unique way in order to get girls to like you. But don't start liking things you actually don't like, and don't create an imaginary character thinking that she'll like it. If she does like it, she is just buying into your fake persona, and then be really disappointed to find out who you really are. Girls definitely like people who are real and genuine, so don't be afraid to be you. Overall, you can't please all the girls in this world. These tips do take some time to work because you are slowly building rapport and a relationship with them. Real relationship takes time to develop and mature, so you can't really cheat the system. If you have trouble implementing these tips, there's a secret sauce to this. It is to be nice and kind. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Worst case scenario, you'll get friend zoned. I mean, you got friend zoned like 20 times already. Adding another one to the list won't hurt, right? I'm just kidding. Hey, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification to get a notice of my weekly uploads. And if you want, comment down below and I'll get right back to you. And as always, thanks for watching.